Yo, this right here just might be the last cleaning device that you're ever gonna need to buy for your home. Let me introduce you guys to the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. Let's talk about it. So Mova is a brand that popped up on the scene in 2024 with integrated advanced AI into their products when it comes to their products thinking and cleaning on their own, which frees up people like you and I from the annoyance of doing those daily chores that I'm pretty sure none of us out there really want to do because you all want your time back, right? Now, they are known for their floor care products to personal grooming products, from kitchen essentials and even outdoor tools, building a complete ecosystem that brings ease to your everyday life. Now, here's some of the features that you guys are going to get that we're going to actually deep dive into a little bit more in this video, and that is the real-time water cleaning, the auto carpet protection, edge-to-edge cleaning, tangle-free dual brush, retractable radar, insane powerful suction power, and a dual solution container, which is actually kind of dope, but we're gonna talk about that a little later. So now that you guys know a little bit more about them, man, as a company as well as the product, let's go ahead and just kind of walk through each one of these features, and we're gonna start with the real-time water cleaning feature. This feature right here includes a hydro force mopping system with a 12-hole spray system that continuously will inject fresh water while also rinsing the roller mop like a shower to be able to clean your floors like you guys are seeing right here. Now, it also uses a 4100 PA ground pressure, which is more like 3.7 pounds of pressure, and a 360 degree of scrubbing to even allow you guys to be able to pick up those deep level stains that you guys may have on your floors. Now, another cool feature with this is the dirty water recovery. Now, this is where it has real-time mop self-cleaning features that's going to extract the dirty water into a separate tank to keep things separated, so that way it's not just recycling dirty water back into your floors, because listen, nobody out there, I'm sure, wants that, all right? Giving you guys always clean water each and every single time you guys are going to be mopping your floors. Now, when it comes to the roller, you can see here that this is the industry's first fluffing roller technology, where it has a 1000 RPM high-speed cycle that automatically restores the mop's texture, keeping fiber soft and fluffy, so that way it's going to give you guys the best results as well as your user comfort. Mopping system, be honest with y'all, is A1, all right? Now, the next thing here that I want to talk to you guys about is a feature that unfortunately I'm unable to show because I personally don't have carpet within my home, but it is something that I do feel like is a cool enough feature to mention to you guys that I feel like you should know about, and that is the auto carpet protection. Now, with this here, I have to talk about the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete being equipped with an auto shield technology. Now, I know you guys are probably out there like, CKid, bro, what the heck is auto shield technology? Well, I'm glad you asked. Basically, y'all, it's a technology that intelligently will detect carpeted areas within your home, and then it's going to activate a dual protection system where the bottom of the baffle plate here will extend to cover up the mop in itself, making sure that you're getting that extra added layer from getting water stains on your carpet. Because listen, nobody wants water on their carpet. We want a home with dry carpet, no mold over here, all right? Now, how this feature here works is when carpet is detected, the roller mop will lift 14 millimeters away from the surface when the shield is extending underneath to shield the mop. Now, keep in mind that you guys will have to make sure you have this feature turned on in the app in order for it to work properly. But the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, y'all, can automatically activate carpet protection when it encounters carpets. Super dope feature, all right? Now, the next feature here that I feel is where it shines the most to me, and that is the edge-to-edge cleaning. Now, to me, y'all, this is important because typically on the edges within your home is where all of the dirt, where all of the dust just seems to hang out and have a party, all right? So as you guys can see right here, man, it has an extra wide roller, being a 10.08 inch roller that is paired with a 1.7 inch outward swinging mop technology that's going to allow you guys to be able to cover more square footage of your home a whole lot faster, because we're not trying to clean all day, all right? So when it's in motion, the active mechanical arm will push the roller out with fresh water that we talked about earlier in this video, while giving you that clean edge cleaning, saving you a crazy amount of time that you can put back into doing something that you guys love to do, which in my case is either hanging out with family, my wife, or gaming. So, you know, I had to throw gaming in there. Now, this next feature right here is one that if you guys are someone like me who has a dog within their home, or if you guys out there are a person with longer hair that just seems to always find its way onto your floors, you're gonna need this feature, man, and that is the Tangle-free Duo Brush. Now, with the anti-tangle Turbo Wave Duo Brush, man, it's designed with this air duct to efficiently fling and powerfully suck up any hair into it that's going to prevent any type of tangling. All right, and yes, I have been using this for a little while now, man, and I have to say I have yet to have any tangled hair in here, and it is a godsend. I definitely coming in clutch and easily handling hair that is up to 30 centimeters long. Now, another thing that I noticed was just how quiet or just low noise it is, with also using the combination of rubber as well as bristle rubber brushes for enhanced cleaning power. Now, for the materials, they did go with a soft nylon for the bristle rubber brush, and for the rubber brush, it's also a TPU soft rubber material for lifting up things like debris and just large particles from your carpets, which in turn also helps make it super quiet. Now, the next feature is a feature that I really can't take advantage of within my home just because the way my floors are designed, but this is a feature right here that I do feel is a game changer for those people that may need to use this feature, and it is the obstacle crossing plus the adaptive lift feature. So how this works is, let's say you guys within your home, you have a transition from one room to the next, but within that transition, you have a threshold there that usually is kind of a little of a step up. Now, if you guys have one of those thresholds, then you know those thresholds can be crazy high for no reason. Well, with the Z60 Ultra Roller Complete, man, it uses the Stepmaster 2.0 retractable robotic leg to lift itself up, clearing 4.8 centimeters and up to 8 centimeters to confidently cross thresholds and doorways within your home or just uneven surfaces with ease, y'all. Now, the Lift Pro chassis or the adaptive lift feature makes it so that way it can also tackle carpets with ease. Now, when it sees something like, let's say, medium to longer carpets within your home, the universal wheel, the left drive wheel and the right drive wheel in itself will synchronize all together and lift the chassis of the robot up to enhanced passage over things like your carpets within your home, giving you strong suction and effective cleaning performance across all different types of flooring that you guys may have within your home. Now, this next feature right here, I do feel like is part of the reason why you would even want to pick one of these up, and that is the 28,000 PA powerful suction power that has 4 adjustable suction levels that you guys can choose from and be able to adjust to, that you guys can see right here. Now, it also will adapt to all of the various surfaces and home environments as it's needed. Now, it uses a proprietary high-speed turbo force 9 motor that delivers industry-leading vacuum power with low noise that's going to tackle things like the larger debris as well as dust from those just crazy hard to reach cracks that you have within your home just a whole lot more effectively. Now, you also can see right here just how well within my home and on my floors, you can see that it's picking things up off my floor with just ease, man. All in all, man, super clutch. Now, the second to last feature that I do have to talk to you guys about and mention is the dual solution containers. Now, I gotta be real with y'all. Out of all of the robot vacuum cleaners that I've talked about right here on this channel, I've yet to see anyone have a dual solution system. How this works is, this container right here, I'm gonna mark it container A. It maintains the general, just normal cleaning solution that you guys may have. Then in this other container right here, this holds the specialized cleaning solution, which is just dope. Meaning there's 2 types of cleaning solution. Now, you guys might be wondering, yo, CKid, why does it need 2 cleaning solutions? The reason is because the Mova Home app allows configurations of different cleaning modes. So with each cleaning mode, it will dispense different types of cleaning solutions to be able to clean better within your home, just overall creating a more user-friendly cleaning strategy where you can basically set it and just let it do its thing on its own without you even having to think on, should I use this solution or should I use a mixture of this solution? It's going to do it all on its own. And in my opinion, y'all, super dope setup, man, for them to have kind of this dual chamber setup. And it's just a clever design for making sure whatever mess that you guys may have on your floors, it's going to make sure to get it up with the right cleaning solution mixture that you guys have at your disposal, which is, again, a fire feature. And the last feature we have to talk about, y'all, is the retractable radar. So it has a flex scope navigation retractable radar that retracts in low spaces. So for example, let's say you guys have low furniture within your home, or I guess high enough for things to be able to go under it. Well, within your home, it's going to actually retract the radar sensor, so that way it's going to be able to reach underneath those typical areas or just dead spots within your home that typically don't really get to see the light of day. Now, my furniture is just far too low to be able to showcase this feature because for some reason, I just like my furniture to be super low on the ground. Now, if you guys have normal height furniture, then I do feel like this is a feature that you're gonna wanna take advantage of with its 96mm compact height for being able to get under narrow corridors or just under small kitchen cabinets. All in all, this is a really dope feature for those people that's gonna be able to use it. Now, overall, man, I feel like the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is just a great vacuum and mop combo that is gonna be perfect for the people out there who wants an easier solution when it comes to just having a clean overall home. So if that's you, man, and you like everything that you saw in this video, then I will have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to be able to check out the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete for your own personal home. I'm using mine, and no, you can't have mine, all right? Thanks to Mova, man, for sponsoring today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Squad, we out. Now go clean your home up.